I mean, just look at these shoes. Who ever thought that these could be sitting on shelves? Yes, you heard me right. These particular shoes were sitting on shelves for months in Foot Lockers, and I don't know why, because these are so perfect. Ho ho ho! What is up, beautiful people? Assalamu alaikum, and I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for stopping by. And if you love sneakers, then you are at the right place. This is your boy Zaneer Ali Sani from Sneakers and Zaneer with another video on this channel. You can find me on Instagram at Zaneer Isani to know the latest updates of my videos. And if you are new here, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know the latest updates of my videos. With that said, I am so much excited for this review because I don't know why I haven't done any review of Jordans 4 yet on my channel, but here we are with another review on Jordans. So these are Nike Air Jordans 4 Winterized Loyal Blue, and being very honest, when I saw the pictures of these particular sneaker on Instagram and on social media, I was so much excited because there is few reasons. Does these sneakers remind me of Eminem's Jordans 4? Yes, 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 because these are so much identical to that Eminem's Jordans 4, and obviously Eminem's Jordans 4 was not a general release. It was a very limited pairs released, and very few people have those, and they are going insane on StockX. So this is the reason that why I needed this pair, because it was really identical to that pair, and I really loved how they have used the winterized material on these silhouette. So let's talk about the upper part of this silhouette first. The materials which are used on the upper part, these are not suede. I want to clarify this to you first. These are not suede. These are tumbled leather, which has a matte material which has few furs of suede, and like the furs literally can change the direction as you rub on them. So I think that this is an amazing leather which they have used on this silhouette, and this is because they have to make these silhouette a winter sneaker. Like they give that a winterized look on this silhouette, winterized feel on this silhouette, and I really loved how Nike has done with these things. And also the side part, the side panel of this silhouette, it is not a net which is used on typical Jordans 4. These are the rubber net material which is used, and I think that this is the reason that why they have given this winterized touch to this silhouette. And also the flappers over here, these flappers, these are not leather, these are a typical rubber type leather, and I think that these are amazing. And so does the eyelids. The eyelids over here, they are in grey color, and which has the combination of black laces, and I think that this is a pretty great combination. And also the tongue of the silhouette and the rubber material which they have used on the side panel is also used on the tongue as well, and that material has continued to the upper part of the tongue. And I really love that how they have used the patchwork here. Instead of knitting Jordan Jumpman logo, but they have knitted the patch of Jordan with flight written over here. So I really love this. And also the tongue of the sneaker, if you can literally see the back side of the tongue, you can see that the Air Jordans is written upside down, and I really love how they have used this Air Jordan upside down on the tongue of this sneaker. And also the cushioning provided here, the cushioning is, the softness of that cushioning is amazing, and I think that softness you won't feel it if you are wearing socks. But if one day you decide to go sockless, so you can go on. So I think that this is an amazing touch they have given to make this whole sneaker a winterized sneaker. And it is true that I will wear these sneakers in winter, because this is one of those type of sneakers which give warmth to your feet, which gives comfort to your feet, which gives softness to your feet. And I really like these. And there is this one thing which really disappoints me, or really bothers me, and that thing is that the back part of this silhouette, as you can see that there is Jordan Jumpman on the back of this sneaker, but the color they have used, the blue color, it does not match with the whole sneaker color. And I don't know why they have used this type of color, because it don't match with the whole sneaker. And I think that this is the only thing which really bothers me. And so and I really love how they have used the color combination on the outsoles of this sneaker. As you can see that it has a gray and red and white outsoles with a Jumpman logo with red color, and I really love it that how they have used. There is this Nike Air bubble on the midsole of this sneaker to make your sneaker comfortable. So here is the question: will I wear this in winter? Yes. Do I love this sneaker? Yes. Do I recommend this sneaker? Yes, yes, yes. I do recommend this sneaker. This is a perfect sneaker, and also this reminds me of Eminem's Jordans 4, and since it was a very limited pair, so that's why I looked to cop these instead of Eminem's, and instead of wasting thousands of money on that Eminem pair. But it is just like that कि जिन लोगों के पास NRG नहीं है, the no photos one, not for resale Air Jordans 1, they try to cop Gym Reds because they both are almost identical. So this is the thing, that if something is very expensive, so you need an alternative way. So this is my alternative way to rock those Eminem's Jordans 4, and inshallah, I hope I will cop those. But for now I have these sneakers and I really loved it, and I hope that this is something you will love as well. So let's see that how these sneakers look on my feet, and let's just go with the on feet review of these sneakers. So these were my on-feet reviews of these sneakers and I hope you liked it, and also you can follow me on my Instagram to know the latest updates of my videos and my recent giveaways, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know the latest updates of my videos. So this is Zaneer Ali Sani from Sneakers and Zaneer, over and out. Allah Hafiz.